Comesa Business Council and High People proudly present the 40 Days 40 FinTechs Initiative, a game-changing platform under the Include Everyone program, spotlighting the innovative technologies that are shaping the future of financial inclusivity across Africa. As part of our expansion across the entire Comesa region, we are bringing the 40 Days 40 FinTechs to Zambia and Malawi. This edition is all about highlighting the trailblazers using financial technology to break down digital barriers and empower lives across Zambia and Malawi.
My name is Joshua Mundo. I am the Chief Operating Officer for PayChangu. PayChangu is a fintech based in Malawi. What we do is we help businesses from SMEs, large businesses to collect payments globally as well as locally. We have got APIs which developers use to integrate. We also have the gateway, which is our biggest, the one that's being integrated all over. Operationally, getting the license, we got the license last year in July, but building the infrastructure, working on how the whole system is going to be implemented. We started the whole work in 2021. In 2023, that's when we got offices, premises. And since July to now, we have done over 7 billion or 8 billion Malawi Kwacha in transactions. We do about, on a good month, 2 billion and over per month in transactions. We've got over 4,000. Those are registered clients or merchants on our platform that are constantly using the platform right now. So PayChangu is here for everyone. We're looking forward to being all over Africa with our strategic plan. Our newest innovation, which is the instant direct bank transfer, this one is the one that we're championing. For most payment service providers, they only use cards and MNOs. These are limited, but with our innovation, you're able to do a transaction worth 500 million Kwacha, and it's instant from bank to bank via PayChangu. This allows for industries like real estate, people that are selling even cars, hardware, all these big industries, they're able to also integrate PayChangu and transact, because in the past, you can only transact using cards, but they limit. So big industries would not want to be associated with PSPs like us, but now they can be associated and they can still make sales. Also, that allows for other industries like the ones that we are just getting into, the betting industry, which has so far been interested in our innovation, because gamers are able to deposit 10, 15 million at once. And also, with that same innovation, the betting company is able to disburse wins of up to 500 million Kwacha at one transaction instead of just writing checks. So they're able to pay the winners, and as well as them also collecting deposits of high amounts beyond cards and mobile money. In Malawi, the central bank, Reserve Bank of Malawi, is the regulator when it comes to financial services. The only challenge is the regulator itself has been taken by surprise by these kinds of innovations. For example, PSPs, where people are doing transactions online and cards are being processed and all these things. In the past, they only knew banks could do this. So it has come faster than the way they have accessed the knowledge about these PSPs. So when we're going to them for the regulation and for what we can do and what we cannot do, sometimes there's a back and forth because there's a lack of understanding. But we're glad that now the central bank has even taken steps to understand what a payment gateway is. They're also trying to develop their own so that they can have a level playing for us and for them. Also, policies in Malawi where you want to set up something like PayChangu to support you and to help you run are still in the infancy stage. Other partners like banks don't understand really the infrastructure behind how the payments are done. So it's still a fresh product, but yes, we are trying to move through it. Malawi is a fresh market, or it's a virgin land when it comes to technology, and especially when it comes to fintechs and what we're doing now. So for me, the priority or the number one thing that we can benefit is knowledge, capacity building, and collaborations that can happen. Because as PayChangu, so far we've been able to partner with other players in Zambia. So we are collecting for them here, for their clients, and our clients that we have, that are businesses in Zambia, those guys are able to collect for us. Those collaborations can even be broader when we have such initiatives. So if you want to visit PayChangu, we are online. We are www.paychangu.com.
This financial inclusion revolution is presented in partnership with Level 1 Project, Infitex, Cyber PLC Academy, and the Moduloop Foundation, with generous support from the Gets Foundation. Follow hashtag 40 Days 40 FinTechs and hashtag Level 1 Project and be part of building a brighter financial future for all.